Hi, my name is Christopher Lawrence and I'm building my own modern, luxurious, eco-friendly ship and container home. This is my story. First and foremost, this is not a DIY project. I will not be doing this myself. So here's the list. The investors. My own small business, CL Graphics, has partnered with 3 angel investors to finance the project. My first architect is a friend and the owner of a local small business, Chofran's Creations. As the scope for the project expanded, we enlisted the services of Michael Bino of the Bino Rowe Wilshire Partnership. And this included Mr. Collymore, the architect, Mr. Romaine, the civil structural engineer, and Mr. Reese, a senior mechanical engineer. Those are the paid-for professionals. I will do a video later discussing the details of the budget of the project because it's just a hot topic. The majority of my resources come from friends, family, co-workers, and local contractors. As stated in earlier videos, LEED is of paramount importance of this project. I want to build my home and maintain minimal damage to the environment. So we're talking about solar power, a rainwater harvesting system, upcycled and recycled products. Drum roll please. I have on my team civil engineer Sarah Schoon, structural engineer Mustafa Manan, mechanical engineer John Lee, and legal counsel Ms. Marsha King Lawrence. General contractors Devon Vialva and Mario Joseph. This team will shadow the professionals as we predict a small business opportunity at the end of this project. Well, yes, the journey has begun. In this episode, I discussed the team, how the project is going to get done. This is the final episode of Season 1. In Season 1, I've discussed the 5 W's, the who, what, where, why, when, and how. Get ready for Season 2. We begin construction. Finally, it feels like forever I've been waiting to say that. The hardcore stuff, the trucks, the steel, the power tools. In episode 1, we purchased the containers. If there's anything you'd like to know about me or about the project, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll make it my duty to respond. Remember to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and as we say in Trinidad and Tobago, laters.